Guys, Ashley here, and today we are doing a bathroom deep clean. So we got we got the toothbrush out, scrubbing every corner and crevice and of the shower. And then we also have the shower brush that I normally use. So we're going in today. We're also going to be wiping down all the surfaces with some pine soil and water in a spray bottle. I will be using my foam spray bottle also that I got at the Dollar Tree, but it is filled with Dawn soap. So the first area that I am doing now, guys, is the sink area. I like to start off in the sink area. It's just the first place I see when I walk into the bathroom. So I'm going to be taking everything off of here. I'm going to be wiping down the mirror and the countertop and all that jazz. But if you need some motivation to deep clean your bathroom, I'm pretty sure this video will do it for you. We also share this channel together. So when I mean we, I mean my sister Courtney and I. So you get two different houses on one channel, guys. So make sure you subscribe if you are new. She posts Saturdays. I post on Thursdays. Now here is just an overview of how dirty my sink is. Let me tell you guys, the camera is definitely giving it some justice. But yeah, if you need more motivation to deep clean, regular clean, tidy up, all that jazz, we have it here on our channel, guys. So all you have to do is just click our faces and it will bring you all of our videos. It will bring you to our YouTube channel. But now I'm just spraying down the mirror and wiping it down. And let me stop chit-chatting and blowing your guys' ears up. Let's enjoy some music and getting this bathroom all cleaned up.
Oh my God, what an injustice. You just check your watch and my love wasn't enough. And oh my God, what an injustice. You don't even know someone love you this much. Yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Someone love you this much. Yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Said my love wasn't enough. Yeah. Said my love wasn't enough. Yeah. How come you're an angel but you're throwing out a dove? Yeah. Said I wasn't what you need. I just had a vision of you falling on your knees. Don't say my name screaming. I thought I was dreaming. Holy shit, I'm feeling bad for you right now. Don't say my name screaming. Maybe I've been dreaming. Holy shit, I'm feeling bad for you right now. Trust. I just probably dodged someone who wasn't enough. Yeah. Oh my God, what an injustice. Don't even deserve someone love you this much. Yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Someone love you this much. Yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Said my love wasn't enough. Yeah. Said my love wasn't enough. Yeah. How come you're an angel but you're throwing out a dove? Yeah. Said I wasn't what you need. I just had a vision of you falling on your knees. Don't say my name screaming. I thought I was
actually so mad when I figured out that I didn't press record after that other clip you guys just seen, but all I did was scrub it down as best as I could with the pine sol and water mixture, and then I went in with my foam spray bottle and just started spraying everything down and scrubbed it once more with the foam spray, and that worked a lot better. And when I mean foam spray, I mean it's the Dawn Power in a foam bottle spray bottle, foam spray bottle, there we go. So yeah, I'm just going through once more, basically just getting the little pieces I forgot, but I did scrub it down already, and you know, I wanted to give you guys that motivation. So I'm just giving it one more scrub down, getting the little pieces, and then we rinse it off, and we go on to scrubbing the rest of the shower.
Blindsided, worlds collided. You had me from hello till you came in focus. I barely noticed that I was all alone. One night, one kiss, now I'm addicted. You got me all fucked up. My head is spinning, I'm losing my shit. I need a hit right now. I had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. I had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. No filter, got you into color like a tattoo on my mind. My clothes covered in perfume reminder brings me back every time. One night, one kiss, now I'm addicted. You got me all fucked up. My head is spinning, I'm losing my shit. I need a hit right now. I had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. I had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. One kiss, then one night. Yeah, I'm addicted. Got my head spinning, I'm not alright. Oh no, no, no. One kiss, then one night. Yeah, now I'm addicted. Got my head spinning, I'm not alright. Had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. Had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. Had a little, and I wanna love. Please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you.
So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, please give it a thumbs up and comment something down below. Anything, any questions you might have, or a certain specific area that you've enjoyed, let me know down below. But as you guys can tell, I'm just about done scrubbing all of the shiny stuff in the shiny stuff. Whatever you might call that. I want to call it chrome, but I could be wrong. But now I am spraying down the shower with pine sol and water mixture, and then I go in with the Dawn foam spray also to get some good grease. You know, our body does have grease in it, so that helps with breaking that down with scrubbing. And I like the pine sol for what is it called? Disinfecting. Clearly my brain's not here right now. For disinfecting and for it to smell good in there. So yeah, I'm just quickly going to spray everything down, and then I get into scrubbing it down with my Dollar Tree scrub brush.
Pick up my mess, but that barista takes a little too long. She's a caffeinated princess, full of regret of a night that bled into dawn. Carry on with the heat of the night, wrote a song. It's a shame that you gave a boot on anesthesia you gave all along. I beg for you, only when I'm dreaming can I see the obvious sign you're sending. Like I've written perfect books of reason. When I wake, it's back to us repeating the same tension built so I can't even sleep. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 REM for me. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 done with counting sheep. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 fantasy for me. So I can't sleep. If I make it past my bedtime, I can spend some time with you. There are certain things that only after hours make me do. Don't care if you believe me, there is nothing I can say. Only what could be an outcome of us staying up till day. Modesty's left all in at rest, but I'm arriving to your dance in the dark. I anticipated this guest, made a new friend in the sick charade I put on. Carry on with the sweet fever dream from the song. It's a shame that it won't last too long. Anesthesia you crave all along. I beg for you. Only when I dream can I see the obvious sign you're sending. Like I printed a textbook's copy done. When I wake, it's back to the same tension built so I can't even sleep. No, I can't sleep. No, no, REM for me. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 done with counting sheep. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 fantasy for me. So I can't sleep. You dreaming? Me too. So good. Are you dreaming of me too?
Now the shower is so clean and shiny. I can move on to the cupboard area slash toilet area where I have like the toilet paper and everything. I'm just going to quickly get everything back where it belongs over there. Put it, I don't think I wipe it down. Oh, because there was just so much up on top that I didn't have anything to really wipe down. It was like cluttered with toilet paper, like the clean ones, because if you aren't new here, you know that I do put all of the toilet paper up there and stuff like that. I don't have a lot of storage here. The only storage I do have in the bathroom is the sink storage. In general, this house doesn't have much for storage besides the basement, but I mean, like, I don't even have like a random closet. Like, you know, like in your house, you'll have like a random closet somewhere usually, to store stuff like winter coats and stuff like that. I don't have that in my house, and I don't think Court does either. Well, she has one, but it's all the way upstairs, which is kind of pointless to me, if you ask me. But anywho, getting off on a little rant over here. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill my shower caddy back up with all of its cleaning supplies for our body, and then hang everything back up on their clear hooks, which I got all these hooks, guys, at the Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on the Dollar Tree hooks; they do work. But yeah, so after I'm done with over here, I am going to be giving you an overview. No, I don't give you an overview. No, I don't give you an overview. That's at the end. I'm getting ahead of myself, guys. Oh man, I hope this video is still, you guys are still enjoying it, even though I cannot talk or think right now. But I do hope you're still getting some cleaning motivation out of here, or at least some entertainment, or enjoying the music, whichever makes you happy, you know? But yeah, I'm just going to quickly organize, put everything back. As you can see, like I said, I really didn't have anything to wipe down over here, but I do wipe down the toilet itself. So yeah, just trying to get it quickly organized, put things back where it belongs. All right, I think I'm done talking, so let's just put some music on.
You're the drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in a dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the week, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head, make me forget I'm such a mess. myself. Overdosing on emotion. When the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin. I'm on the brink of my self-deprecation. I'm hanging from the precipice of empty promises. To myself, I can't help it, still nothing has changed. I need your therapy, euphoric chemistry to fix my brain. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin, and I'm overdosing. You're my oxytocin. I put the rescue all on you. As we lay in your driveway, you look at the stars with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you close. As we lay in your driveway, like we're chasing cars, with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you closer. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin.
I just love that song. Let me know if you guys enjoy it also. But I am giving you an overview of the bathroom, all tidied up, clean, and shiny to go, just for it to get dirty later on. Well, I do hope you guys did enjoy today's video, deep clean of my bathroom. I hope it gave you some motivation, entertainment, or just some enjoyment today. What else? Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I will see you guys next week with a brand new video on Thursday. And stay tuned for Courtney's video on Saturday morning, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Bye, guys.